everyone, welcome to Fit Life Fabulous. I'm Ella, and today I'm sharing how I make my pineapple detox weight loss juice. Let's jump right in. Ingredients: 1 large cucumber, a small piece of fresh ginger, a ripe pineapple, and 4 cups of cold water. Full ingredient details are in the description box below. I'm starting by prepping my ingredients, just chopping everything to my preferred size. If you don't have a juicer, feel free to blend instead. Now let's talk about the benefits of these incredible ingredients that not only add flavor but also pack a punch when it comes to health and wellness. Pineapple. This tropical delight is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Not only does it curb your appetite, but it's packed with water and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to detox and shed fat. Pineapple is also rich in vitamins and enzymes like bromelain, which aid in digestion and reduce bloating. Cucumber, another water-rich fruit. Cucumbers are fantastic for keeping you hydrated. They are great for digestion and detoxifying the body, flushing out toxins and promoting a healthy gut. Cucumbers are also low in calories, making them a perfect snack for weight management. Bonus tip: it's also amazing for clear, glowing skin. The high water content and antioxidants in cucumbers help to soothe the skin, reduce puffiness, and provide a natural glow. Ginger. This spicy root is strong, but it's the star of the show. Known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, ginger boosts digestion and metabolism, helping burn fat effectively. It also helps to reduce muscle pain and soreness, making it a great addition to your post-workout routine. Whether you add it to your tea, smoothies, or meals, ginger is a versatile ingredient that can enhance both flavor and health benefits. We'll also dilute the juice with pineapple tea, made by simmering the pineapple skin for 30 minutes. This tea supports digestion and fights inflammation. If you make this juice, be sure to enjoy every refreshing sip. It's packed with vitamins and perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Tag me on Instagram at FitLifeFabulous. I love seeing your posts and how you incorporate these recipes into your daily routine. I'd love to see your creations and hear how you're feeling after trying them out. Your feedback means a lot to me and helps me create better content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. Like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your friends and family. Drop any recipe suggestions or topics you'd like to see next in the comments below. I'm always looking for new ideas and love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy cooking.